Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Last video, I promised you guys that we would be installing the Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit in today's video. And unfortunately, schedule's kind of sort of changed. It's gonna happen soon. I don't wanna say when because last time I said when, well, here we are. But soon, very soon. We got major updates on the Hellcat 6x6 Gladiator. We even have Ford Focus updates. But first and foremost, boys, I got a license plate, a $5,000 license plate. That's what it costs for sales tax. Not very happy about it. I do want to get a vanity plate for the Supra, but I don't know what the right one is. If you have any good ideas, let me know in the comments below. I had to get this because I had to register the car. And then also, guys, in the last video, we voted for color choice on the new wheels on the Supra, and with a resounding yes, bronze won. Okay, so like low-key, I was hoping bronze would win. I did not sway the results. I did not change the results. I'm gonna put them here and here. Almost 100,000 people voted. 47,000 people chose bronze. You absolute heroes. I'm so excited because black would have been cool, but bronze will change your life. Wait, I mean, it won't really change, well, maybe it will. The wheel color is gonna be bronze for the Supra, but as far as the style, I'm gonna put a Photoshop render here and a Photoshop render here. Same thing as last time, Instagram stories poll. As soon as this video goes live, that poll is gonna go live. Go vote, do you like this style choice better or this style choice? Bear in mind, the Photoshop, the wheels look a little bit more gold. They're gonna be bronze, so don't pay attention to the color, pay attention to the style. Either this one or this one. Go vote, link in the description below. I love my Ford Focus, but I'm gonna steal a Tesla, but which one? Which one do we want? The Model 3s are cool. There's a Model S over there, but it's a Model X. It's a P100D. We're just gonna simply commandeer it. And when I say commandeer, in case you couldn't sense my sarcasm, no, I did not steal the Model X. I'm simply just renting it. So don't turn me into the authorities. We're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, so we are headed to the airport. Windows roll down. We're in chill mode. We wanna be in Ludicrous Plus mode. Yes, Ludicrous Plus. Headphone users, take a moment. Whoa, whoa! It's so quick. My biggest gripe, my biggest complaint, it doesn't sound as good as the V12 though. Unfortunately, we're not actually going anywhere today. We have a meeting with customs, so yeah. Can confirm the car is off. That's always sort of confusing, but check this out, whoa. Audi R8 V10 competition. I don't know if this is a real special edition or the owner just decided, you know what? Sometimes in life, you gotta make your own special edition. I'm not really sure, but V10 Audi R8. The downpipes for my Ford Focus RS have been stuck in customs for like 19 weeks. I got all this paperwork, which is just a bunch of rhetorical nonsense. But yeah, I'll, yep. It's not gonna go well. I just know it's not. It's not. Bye. It's an actual crate. The downpipes have landed in America. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Omaze. Now, Omaze is offering you guys the chance to win a 2019 Tesla Model X P100D plus $20,000 cash. Also, taxes and shipping are both included. And maybe the best single part, every single donation benefits an amazing cause. All you have to do to enter is go to omaze.com/TheStradman. That's omaze.com/TheStradman and enter for your chance to win. The Tesla Model X P100D does 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2.7 seconds. I hate to admit this, my Lamborghini Aventador does 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2.8 seconds. So if you win the Model X with Omaze, you can actually embarrass me in my Lamborghini Aventador. Now, if that's not reason enough to enter, Omaze has partnered up with GivePower. I'm gonna put a link in the description below to GivePower. It's a nonprofit charitable organization that helps provide clean drinking water to developing nations around the world. Every single donation you guys make is gonna help benefit the people of Haiti. Over 45% of people living in Haiti don't have access to clean drinking water. So even if you don't win the Model X, the people of Haiti are gonna win, so you're gonna win anyways. If you want the chance to win a Tesla Model X P100D plus 20 grand, plus taxes, plus shipping, check out the link in the description below. Remember, every single donation is gonna benefit the people of Haiti, providing clean drinking water to 35,000 people a day. Omaze.com/TheStradman. Go check it out, go donate, and good luck. The Gallardo and the Aventador are still off at makes and models. The garage floors just got epoxied. They still need about 3 days before we can park anything inside. Oscar, what are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, oh, That's so good. Did you put these here, bud? Hey, where are you going? Come back here. Come back here. Hey, hey, hey. This is sort of my spare parts room. We got the hood from the Aventador, a couple steering wheels, some gold exhaust tips. All this stuff is gonna be hung up in my new house someday. Sunday. We have 5 external hard drives right here. Every single video, every single photo, every single video edit I have done to date on YouTube is compiled somewhere in one of these external hard drives. In a lot of ways, this is really sort of a representation of my life for the past 6 years. Nearly every cool, fun thing I have done, I've shared with you guys on my YouTube channel, and is now stored on one of these hard drives. If for some reason my YouTube channel were to just be deleted, I couldn't even imagine the level of devastation and depression that I would be going through. I remember when my situation was much more bleak. I was living in my car, trying to grow my YouTube channel, and every day since then, for the past 6 years, we've just taken little steps. And now we're here and we have almost 2.1 million subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. You supported me for so long. It just means so much to me. I have so much pride. I take so much satisfaction in my YouTube channel as to what I've created because I had so many doubters. Nobody believed in me. You guys have believed in me. You've supported me though. And if my channel were to just be deleted, I shouldn't be making this video. This is a video that I should not be making. This situation should have been remedied a week ago. Every day for the past week I've been going back and forth. Do I make this video? Do I not make this video? I have to make this video. Someone has to make this video. As one of the larger automotive YouTube channels, there's a sense of responsibility that I have to make this video. The Like Squad, the Strad Squad, we are powerful in numbers, boys. Like, we can fix this situation. If you haven't heard, 5 fellow automotive YouTubers had their channels deleted by an email phishing scam. To summarize it quickly, they received an email from a mobile game company of some sort, and they clicked a link, and their YouTube channels were just, they're just gone. Like, you type Troy Sowers into YouTube, he's a buddy of mine, over 100,000 subscribers, his channel is poof, it's gone, it's gone. Black Widow Supra, 130,000 subscribers, his channel's been deleted. Max Check Vids, his channel's just gone. Built, his channel is gone. Pure Function, his channel is gone. I have so much empathy and compassion for what these guys must be going through because I'm trying to put myself in their shoes and I can't, I guess I can't imagine what they're going through, honestly. I would just be, it's not fair, and YouTube can fix this situation. YouTube needs to fix this situation. Somebody at YouTube is watching this video that has the power to remedy this situation. I need you guys to help me out. I need you to like this video. I know we can get 100,000 likes. Drop a comment below. I know we can get 10,000 comments at least. We need to push this video in the YouTube algorithm. This video can get 1 million views. It can get 1 million eyes on it. Somebody at YouTube will watch this video. Somebody important at YouTube will watch this video and fix this situation. I would hope and pray that if for some reason my YouTube channel was deleted, that one of my fellow automotive YouTubers would make this video on my behalf to try to fix the situation. And the Strad Squad, the Like Squad, we can do it. We got power in numbers. This is why we do this. This is why YouTube is one of the coolest things in the world, the coolest platforms, because like we can fix this situation. YouTube has an Instagram page. Guys, go on there, tell them, restore these automotive YouTube channels. Go onto Twitter, go onto the YouTube Twitter page, tell them, fix this thing. We can make noise. The Strad Squad, we got strength in numbers, boys. We can do this. We can fix this. We can get these channels back up. Just to summarize, so the 5 channels that got deleted, Troy Sowers, Black Widow Supra, Max Check Vids, Pure Function, and Built. So if anybody from YouTube is watching today's video, those are the 5 channels we got to get restored ASAP. I don't actually even know anybody at YouTube. As crazy as that is, I have almost 2.1 million subscribers. If my channel were to get deleted, I don't even know anybody at YouTube. I just filmed that last clip and it just dawned on me. I know who to contact. I got a guy who knows a guy. More to come. I just emailed all 5 of the guys who had their YouTube channels deleted. I'm getting some information from them. We're working around the clock. Boys, I think we just solved this. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I think we're gonna get these channels restored. Hopefully before this video goes live. That would be amazing if they were restored. If they are, well, more to come. I don't want to say too much quite yet because the channels have not been fully restored yet. but we got a guy, we got a hero making some money moves right now. Hopefully next video we'll have an update and the channels will be back online, but more to come. I don't want to talk about this for forever, but one last thing. YouTube did not delete these channels. The scam artist is responsible for deleting these channels. Hopefully YouTube will heighten their level of internal control so that this doesn't happen in the future. But the scam artist is simply to blame. If you are watching today's video, which I'm sure you're not, but if you are, shame on you. Like there's just no good reason to just go out and delete someone's creation just maliciously just because it's stupid. All the way from South Africa, from Rogue Performance, we got new downpipes for the Focus RS. Now we're currently running an aftermarket boiler exhaust on that car with factory downpipes. Rogue tells me that after this is installed, we should see flames, which is quite exciting. However, it's come in a crate. Now, I'm a bit of a cardboard box expert. Like I can open one with quite efficiency, but the crate, I haven't quite mastered. No. Socket set's not gonna help. Ice scraper is definitely not gonna help. No. It's a bit crazy, but I have an idea. Yes, an idea. Trust me, this is a good idea. It's a good idea, isn't it?
What are we doing again?
It's a good idea. We gotta move the Subaru, the Model X, the Tesla, the Ford Focus, and the Gladiator. We got all the cars lined up to provide that additional illumination we're gonna need. We got the cardboard right here. This is gonna protect the downpipes. Yeah, that should do. This is probably unneeded. We probably don't need the additional protection, but just for you.
You gotta protect the downpipes.
Well, no, but we already had, I'm saying the second box really is unnecessary, but.
It's extra cushioning, it's layers. It's like fall, when you put on a bunch of clothes, you layer to stay warm. Cardboard, same thing, layers, soft.
You're a smart man. I like you. Burlacker, link in the description below. Go check out his channel, yeah! The problem is, we really don't have any other option. I can't come up with any other ideas. Do you? Like,
I still am not sold on whatever idea this is, but
it's the only way though. Like,
I'm here for you, bro.
We just don't have a choice.
Wait, you're throwing it off of the roof? Is that what you're doing?
Bro, no. Never do something like that.
I don't have any sort of like homeowner's insurance. I got nothing, so.
Wait, your insurance doesn't cover me?
No.
I've lived here for 2 years.
Yeah.
What if we got in a fire? What if there was an earthquake?
Yeah.
There was an earthquake.
There was. Actually, because of you, actually.
It's a long story for a different day. Remember, if you want to win that Tesla Model X P100D, link in the description below, omaze.com/TheStradman.
Yeah, it's good you shout it out now, because if you actually fall off the roof, then that was your last chance. I still don't know what you think you're gonna achieve here. I still don't understand why he thinks this is the idea. Why he thinks this is the best way to do it.
Should I just drop it or should I chuck it?
I would just drop it if that were me.
Okay, I'm just gonna drop it. Count down again.
3, 2, 1. Down pipes.
I could sense there were a lot of doubts, but sure enough, it worked. Look, the crate is open. It worked. Okay, this is incredibly awkward. Like, dun dun dun, all the way from Johannesburg, South Africa, we got the new downpipes. Ooh, whoa, look at that. I keep saying downpipes. I should be saying singular downpipe because of course the Focus RS only has a single turbo, but check this out, all the way from Rogue Performance, and look at that. It even says at TheStradman, here's a little something for you to disturb the peace with. We should see flames here soon. So obviously we're not gonna be doing the install in today's video, but next video, we're gonna be installing this in the Focus RS. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.